Hello everyone. Hi Libra. Welcome back to our channel. So this is the bonus reading for you. Year-ending messages of 2020 and the messages for January 2021. So let's see what are the messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. Libra air sign. Okay. Be bold and make the first move. Confidence is your key to success. So these are the two cards from Moon Oracle. So yeah, I think in any situation in your life right now, you are hesitant to make a first move towards anything. It could be your relationship, it could be your career. You are thinking about taking first move. Please be bold and make the first move. It is the right time for you. Yeah, don't hesitate. It is the right time to take first move what you want to take. Okay, in your relationship or in your career, whatever, it is the time to take first move. And confidence is your key to success. So definitely I think you may be low in confidence right now. Please be confident because confidence is your keys to success. Yeah, please be confident. I think new moon in Leo, you will get more confidence, what I am saying here. Yeah, definitely be confident if you want success in your life, and be bold and make the first move. These are the two oracle messages from Moon Oracle deck. So let's see from tarot, your present, past and the outcome, challenge, everything we will see. Libra, first we will see your present. So your present, wow, your challenge, your past, recent past, outcome, and path to the future. So I want clarification cards for this. I want challenge clarification card. Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, Five of Swords. Yeah. And for recent past, I want clarification card for recent past also. Okay, so let's see. So the present is Nine of Cups. The challenge is Knight of Pentacles and clarification card is Five of Swords. And the past is Ten of Pentacles and recent past is Wheel of Fortune and the Fool. And the outcome is Knight of Swords and the path to the future is Two of Pentacles. So what I'm seeing here, the present moment is Nine of Cups. Definitely your wishes are going to be granted and it is the time. If you have any wishes, definitely those wishes are going to be granted. You will get success. You will get everything in your life because wish fulfillment card is here present. Yeah, in recent past also definitely there is financial stabilities also came in your life, and in recent past some new beginnings in love, and definitely things are turning out in your favor, Libra, because Wheel of Fortune with the Fool. Definitely you are in this beautiful energy, the Fool, going with the flow and taking the leap of faith. Yeah, you are going with the flow. This is very positive energy for you, Libra. Things are turning out in your favor in recent past, and you are also achieved financial stability. So here the challenge is Knight of Pentacles and clarification card is Five of Swords. Yeah, there is some disagreements between you and your person. Yeah, but they are coming back. Yeah, they but very slow moving energy, Knight of Pentacles, but they are very sincere this time. If you are waiting for your person, definitely they are coming back. There are brand new beginnings, and in a career wise, what I'm seeing here, you are going to invest your money, but you are taking your step in very slow because you are thinking about future investments also. That's why you are taking your steps at very slow. And Five of Swords, definitely there are some disagreements in money investments also. Yeah, you're taking your steps very slow, and in relationship definitely someone from past is coming back to you. Yeah, you are going to achieve financial stability. For some you already achieved stability, you already achieved financial stability, and some more money is coming in your way. So in near future, Knight of Swords, yeah, someone is rushing towards you, and it's your energy. Definitely you want to rush something, or you want to rush towards your person. You are in very passionate energy. Yeah, see the card, he's Knight of Swords. You are rushing to go towards somewhere, or in career you want to rush towards your career, and whatever you want to take steps in very very quickly. And if you want in relationship, definitely you are rushing towards your person. And in path to the near future is Two of Pentacles. I think you may be still juggling. There is some juggling is going. You want to take some decision, but you don't know which decision you have to make because you are in juggling. I want clarification card for Two of Swords. Okay, Page of Wands. I think communication is coming in your way from your person. Yeah, definitely there is some juggling. You have to make decision in future. I think you will get from communication from your person. And I want one more card because yeah, your confusion will get end because the whole card is cycle endings. I think the same cycles are going to be repeating between you and your person again and again, and this could be long distance relationship also. Yeah, definitely Page of Wands with the whole card and Two of Pentacles. Definitely there is some juggling, but that will be ended in near future, and there will be clarities coming in. Okay, so let's see more about you, Libra. Eight of Swords. You are feeling stuck sometimes when you are thinking about it. And clarification card for Eight of Swords. Seven of Swords. What is this? I think your person may be sneaky, played games with you. There is miscommunication and false communication. They may be hiding something from you. Yeah, Seven of Swords with Eight of Swords. That's why you are feeling stuck and you don't know which decision you have to make. Okay. Yeah, there is some... Seven of Swords is very sneaky energy. So if they are coming back, if you already know about the third party, and if you already know that your person is sneaky, so be careful before giving another chance to your person. So let's see more about the situation, Libra. That's why you're juggling. You don't know which decision you have to make. For some, you decided to end the situation. Yeah, more about the situation. You are guarded up. Yeah, you are guarded up because you don't want to invest again in this relationship. You don't want to hurt again. Let's see hopes and fears. Libra. Yeah, Five of Wands. Definitely a lot of drama is going between you and your person. Five of Wands. Let's see the outcome. The person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Air energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Fire energy, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Earth energy. Let's see the outcome. Yeah, your wishes are going to be granted. Yeah, at the already Nine of Cups present, and the outcome is also Nine of Cups. Definitely your wishes are going to be granted. If you want to move on from your person, I think you decided to move on because you guarded up. Definitely you will find new love, true love. Okay. For some, if you want to give second chance, it's up to you. Depends upon, because they are coming back. Under the deck, 10 of Pentacles. Yeah, you will achieve financial stability also. So let's pull some cards from universe for final message. Lot of cards. Libra, final message from universe. Page of Wands, Knight of Wands, communication, and Six of Pentacles, equal give and take, and financial balance. Definitely they are very passionate about you. They are coming back with a lot of passion, and they are ready to offer equal give and take. But you decided to end up to, yeah, you are still at some crossroads. You don't know, you are feeling also heavy burden. Yeah, because due to your person is sneaky, you already know about that. Yeah, I think you are fed up with that energy. You want to move on from this person, but your wishes are going to be granted, and this is the best decision because you know that your person is sneaky and you have so much courage for to do this because it is not easy to move on from a person, but you decided to move on from this reading what I'm getting here. But very few, definitely there will be reconciliation. It depends upon your situation, but I'm seeing a lot of you are moving on. So this is the reading for you, Libra. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.